Hello everyone, this is Mr. Achieve. Today date is 30th. I am recording the video at 10:30 because after 1 o'clock I go to office. That's why today power was not there, so I need to run to the office. We go to Banknifty chart today. As you know, the Banknifty was very volatile today. Even in the expiry day, you can see the Banknifty. It's opened at 37,850 and went to 37,600 and it got reverse. Let's jump into my trade. Today morning I took the Banknifty chart. Today morning I bought call option and my stop loss was hit. I bought around this level after CPR. I bought at 37,760. My stop loss was 8 and I got a loss of 8,500. Still 12 o'clock the candle was playing near the CPR, so I didn't took the trade. I was waiting for a nice breakout or breakdown. After 12 o'clock a huge breakdown happened. 1 o'clock. I took the trade almost at 1 o'clock and I got only 5,000 today, and the power also went off, so I did not take any risk. That's why I exited the trade. Otherwise if I was trailing the stop loss, I would have made some money, but today I made a loss of 1,800 because I took two trades, call option and put option. Call option, it did not work. My stop loss was hit and I recovered my loss by taking put option and I ended with 1,800. Okay guys, let's see tomorrow.